to our first lesson in our WhatsApp literacy group. I'm sure you're all pumped and excited. My name is Lisa and I'll be your guide throughout this course. And today's lesson will be about letter sounds. Hello everyone! Today I'll be teaching you about sound terminologies and how to sound. Now, before you can learn how to sound, you must first of all master some sound terminologies.
Hello everyone! This is letter A, and letter A sounds F. My name is Lily, and today we'll be learning all our consonant sounds. Are you ready? Let's learn!
Hello everyone, so welcome to the next part of our course where we'll be taking a look at Series 1 of My Blending Book for Letters and Sounds. Now with this blending book, we'll be taking a look at the basic sound units, which will be starting from two-letter words, how you can teach your beginning readers using basic sound units like two-letter words. So let's flip over to see what's inside.